starter, main course, dessert. The starter is who has given it, the chanda. Om asya Sri Trambaka Stotra Mahamantrasya Maitra Varna Putra Vasishta Rishi Anustan Chanda Sri Mrityunjaya Trambaka Rudra Devata Devadevyau Pranavau Bijasaktau Bijashakti. It is given by Vasishtha, the son of Maitri Varuna, and it's called Stotra. It is praising, wisdom, praise of wisdom. Triambakam Stotra Mahamantrasya is a Mahamantra. It is third eye wisdom mantra. Highly praised by the saints. Highly praised by the saints. It is the absolute mantra. Asya Sri Triambaka Stotra Mahamantrasya. Absolute mantra. Every saint and does it. And it is the praise. It is the wisdom mantra. It is only the mantra of the wisdom. Third eye, stotra, praised by all the gods, angels, entire existence, all the yogis. Maitra Varana Putra Vasishta Rishi, the one who has systematized it. It has been there, from Veda, that from the time immemorial. But the one who has systematized it, the one who has given grammar, the one who has given the sound of silence, how to chant, is the Vasishtha. Anustan Chanda, style is practicing, it is a practicing mantra. Wisdom is practice, skill, it is a skill. Doctor means it is skill oriented, practice oriented. Lawyer means practice oriented. Chartered accountant means practice oriented. A scientist means practice oriented. Practice. Skill oriented. Sri Mrityunjaya Triambaka Rudra Devata. Mrityunjaya Triambaka Rudra Devata. Goddess, angel. Who is angel? The Rudra. Third eye, Sati, awareness, wisdom eye. Is feminine or male? Is a feminine. What dissolves? Third eye is called Rudra. Trambaka Rudra Devata Savita Devata. In Gayatri, Savita is the Devata, female angel. Here, the female angel is wisdom, Pradnya. Her name is Triambaka, Mrityunjaya Triambaka, third eye, wisdom, Rudra. Third eye, Devata. Third eye, Sati, her name is Sati. Triambaka Rudra Devata. Purpose is Mrityunjaya, it conquers. This is only the way to conquer the death. Third eye, whether to watch the breath, whether to observe inside, you only have to use not the brain, nothing. Only you have to use third eye, wisdom eye, mind eye, observer. It is the mantra of only observation, field of observation. Devadevyau Pranavau Bijashakti. Shakti, most powerful mantra it is. Bijashakti. Shakti Pita, Tantrics worship. There is no Shakti beyond this. This is the seed of the energy. Pranavau, from where energy is born, where entropy is born. This mantra represents Om. What is revealed? Parinava, Parinamantara, Pranava, Parinava. Becoming new, newly born. Pranava, what is born? To end. Again, second birth, Pranava. Parinava, what is born? What is born? These universes are born out of singularity. Every universe, every day born. Every day, every universe is dying. Universes are infinite. Like we are seeing today, so many stars collapsed. And you will see in NASA website today, so and so star collapsed. And on a bigger scale, today, so and so universe collapsed. Means so and so universe is born. So and so universe is born. And it's all. Born. Pranava. Every day a universe is born. Born in Big Bang. What is the first letter in English? In Sanskrit, what is born? Born. Then, end. Anything born has to die in And in between, lifespan, where is the 250th trillionth of a second of a wire or anything, of pentaquark or dark energy, or a 250 million years, or 250 trillion years. Still, Pranava. What is born is to die. That's Pranava, Parinava, which goes changing, which has a cycle of birth and death, which has a Parinama, which is again born, again and again, in the field of entropy, again and again is born. Energy form changes. And what is born is a Pranava. A entropy is born. Every day, fields of entropy are born. Every day, fields of entropy is born. Pranava. So, and the way to realize is that, what is born? So, what Patanjali is tasya vachaka pranava. What is revealed? What sound it is making? As the breath comes in, as breath goes out, so hum. What is the pranava? So hum. As the breath comes in, as breath goes out, so pranava. What is revealed? A inhalation, what sound it is revealing? So. And exhalation, what sound it is revealing? Tasya vachaka pranavaha. What sound it is relieving? Hum. That is the pranava. That's what he is telling. Pranavau bija shakti deva devyau pranavau bija shakti. This is a starter. The one who has given, and who is a female, and who is a male, and how to end out. Deva Devyau Parabrahma, Pranavo Bija Shakti. The root mantra it is. Seed mantra of the entropy is the Om. Om is of what is born. That is the seed of entire existence. What is Om? You remove S, you remove H, Om. It is a revelation. And when breath is coming in, you are not making any sound. Breath sounds like so. Exhalation sounds like That's what is born in the universe. And you are born with this. Without this, you are no more. This is a key. Key lakam, bija, shakti. This is a key. This is a lock. Understand your key. Your key is, as inhalation comes, so what is revealed? What goes out? It is saying a sound hum. So breath goes out. Hum, hum. Om, O, Om. What is revealed is what is revealed here, that is the same thing revealed in the Big Bang. I is born. That's what he is talking about. The Shakti, the field of Shakti, when he is explaining, that is a literal mantra. So that is a Deva Devyau Pranavo Bija Shakti. Means that is only the way to realize singularity. Entropy is, to realize entropy, to realize the singularity, entropy. Trambaka, third eye. Sati is only the way to reach Pati. Who is Pati? Deva Devyau Pranavau Bija Shakti. From where it is born, it is called Purusha. It is called purity. Purusha. Purusha. Purusha is a male and Stri. Stri means female. What's born? And that's why you will find two kinds of the lingas you will find when you walk into a temple. Linga, female, male. Linga means male, female. Temples constructed for the linga, you will find architecture of the lingas. Two kinds of the lingas you will find. Male, female. Male organ is not called linga. Male and female together is called linga. Linga means Purusha, Stri. Stri linga, Purusha linga. Purusha, Stri together only called linga. That's why you will find the male, you will find a female, a linga. You will find this is the linga. This is the linga over, so people call this a penis. Okay, this is a penis. It is indicating inserted through a yoni, inserted through universe. This universe, river journey, this universe. This is your entropy. When you reverse, it is the entropy. It is toward journey towards the singularity. By default, you are here and singularity. Your journey is, this is a Purusha, this is singularity. You have to pass through this field of singularity. When you pass through, you come out. And have you come out completely? Have you gone in completely? Have you come out completely? Have you gone in completely? It is from the bottom to top or top to down? It is from top to down. It is like this. What is important? So you will find two. One is positioned like, you will see the base and you will see this and you will see this. Three things you will see. You will see the base, you will see this, you will see three things you will see. Job unfinished. Another one you will see called Swayambhu Linga. This is not called Swayambhu Linga. It is called Uttita Linga, Uttishta Linga. Swayambhu Linga. Swayambhu Linga, that they are the temples, self-formed, which are called powerful. Why is it called powerful? Why this linga is not powerful? What is Swayambhu Linga? You will only see, you will see this, and you will see this. You won't see anything. You will see a small thing, this, a small curvature. It is like, you will find it is like this, and in this you will find a small like this. In this will not even cross this, it is inside. Means the journey is finished. It indicates singularity. You won't find here any penis at all. Only job finished, gone inside, you are passed to the event horizon. You have already experienced a black hole. You've gone, this is a black hole, you've gone beyond black hole. What you experienced is singularity, nothing else. That's why it's powerful. Job accomplished, job unfinished, mission unfinished, mission accomplished. That's why in the Tibet, in Bhutan, you will find the technologies of this phallus. Linga means phallus. Phallus is representing what? Representing the black hole. And whether you got into black hole or not, and whether you realized singularity or not, this is not a singularity not realized. That's why this linga, this phallus is much inferior, which you can see everything, entire penis you can see, so you can see the event horizon and it's only halfway through. And here you can see completely inserted, completely gone inside one, that's all. It's only what you see is a black hole, that's all, nothing else. You won't see anything, only black hole. So black hole, once you enter into the black hole, gone. Where you end up? Singularity. Once you enter into the completely black hole, you will experience that ecstasy or ecstasy only, you will not experience singularity. It is an indication. Why it is indicated, why phallus is worshipped? Because what prevents you is the libidinal energies. So those libidinal energies, so one can use it for the other purpose, to really go through the universe in black hole. And many of the people at lowest level, for them, just like dervish dances for the tribals, the one who eats non-vegetarian, etc. in the forest, for them, so the only means of happiness or whatever it is called maithuna, for them, so tantra, this is only the way. Or where female, so, and you are practicing meditation but you will never progress in meditation, especially for females. And if they had a desire for the sex but it never fulfilled, or a husband is incompetent, then many spirits enter, and the spirits prevent the female to experience the singularity, enlightenment. They determine, they prevent her to experience singularity. In that case, a monk, a guru, administers the therapy of the phallus and tells, this is your problem, the spirits are enjoying you, and it is better, let them not enjoy. So you do some treatment and gives you vibrator or something. So like that place in Bhutan gives the technology, phalluses are sold. So-called civilization also ends again in the Bhutan only. This technology is only phallus technology. Still they have a long way to go to the Gompa area, because Bhutan is this side of the Gompas. It is only preparatory area. Means there is a long way to go beyond. You have to cross Pahad, forest, you have to cross Himalaya, again peaks of the, so snow peaks. Then you have to go Vairagya, a long way to go. Wherever it is indicated, but its indication is, so a black hole at the highest level to look at it is a black hole. It is an event horizon. You are passing through an event horizon. This is the event horizon. Once you past, future, only living in the present, and future. That's all. And why this is represented? It is understood like this. It is understood like this. Universe it is. Entropy, energy. You just convert this into this. If you convert the same universe, this like this, or same universe you keep like this, it becomes like this. So if you keep like this, if you keep the three lines or line like this, that is called Shiva. Here, so if you keep like this is called Shiva, hyperbola. If you keep like this, parabola, it is called Vishnu. There is no difference. The difference is The only from Vishnu Tattva only you can realize is this. Journey is not toward this. The journey, because it's a white hole representing, the journey is like this. But suppose I represent like this, the journey is like this. You see. That is only the difference. So, that's why people represent like this. Center line will be there. Or people represent like this, central. 3 lines, here also 3. This is the first line, second line, third line. Base, event horizon, past, future, present. The middle line represents the present. Past, base, future, top. This is a way represent. So the timeline, what cuts through is the present. Trayambakam is explanation of the Shakti, entropy beyond, and death conquering mantra. And that mantra, Chanda, it has to be understood, it has so much of meaning. And if required, once again I chant, not today, in some other time. This is Mrityunjaya Mahamantra. You must understand it first. And because it has a Taraka, Rama Taraka mantra, people don't know. Dessert, without dessert, only you have main course. And always meal, very important, starter, main course, dessert. In India, the starter is called pickle, hot. Then main course, mixture of 6 tastes, and then comes, and end is called dessert, yogurt, dessert, yogurt. This is the end. The 3 parts of the meal always. Every mantra, Maha mantra, root mantra has 3. All 3 are very important. The first one is the pickle. The one who has given it, that is starter is very, very important. Then the main course important. Then dessert is important. Dessert is Taraka Rama mantra is the dessert here. Starter, main course I explained. And main course still I have not explained actually the meaning of it. I only chanted, and so Taraka Rama mantra I explained. Rama Taraka mantra, not Taraka Rama mantra, Rama Taraka mantra. Rama is meant for purification. Taraka means purification. So Rama Taraka mantra explain. So I will again summarize the 3. What is the starter and what is the main course? Main course mantra I have not explained actually. What does it mean? So I have not explained. So once I explain, I will tell you. Asya Sri Trambhakam Stotra Maha Mantrasya Maitri Maitra Varuna Putra Vasishta Rishi Anustan Chanda Sri Mrityunjaya Triambaka Rudra Devata पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात्। राम तारक मंत्र। अस्य श्री राम तारक मंत्रस्य राम तारक महामन्त्रस्य सदा शिवो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टन् छन्द ॐ श्री राम परमात्मा देवता राम बीजं नमः शक्ते राशक्ति रामाय कीलकम् रामाय कीलकम् श्रीरामचन्द्र प्रसाद सिद्ध्यर्थे भक्ति ज्ञान वैराग्य सिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोग। राम तारक मंत्र उद्वासन मंत्र। ओम श्री राम रामाय Amen. In. อินชาอัลลอฮ์ 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 Amen. In. อินช May Lord bless you. May Lord bless you, family. May Lord bless you, children. May Lord bless your parents. May Lord bless your friend. May Lord bless your colleague. May Lord bless your relative. May Lord bless you all. May Lord bless all beings. May you be healthy, happy. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Have a good evening and have a good day. See you again tomorrow. Namaste.